that's gonna have to do. Hello everyone. So this is a different angle because my plan today is to reorganize this bookshelf, which it actually looks good from far away, but I want to move it to over here. I just feel like if I moved it here and then put all my resources, Bibles, all the things I reach for on the daily, then it would just be easier for me to sit here at my desk and reach for my commentaries, reach for a different Bible, reach for anything, and that would just be easier and help me keep my desk clean instead of having everything piled up on my desk on the daily, which is typically how my desk looks like. But yeah, I just think that would be better, and I'll have to obviously move things that are there somewhere else so they'll be easy access, because those drawers I won't be able to really access them over here, so I'll have to swap and move things around. But I figured I would move things around and then we can organize all my Bible resources and all that stuff and just see if this is actually much more helpful. I'm gonna have to pull everything off that shelf to move it over here and just move so many things around. I also just recently decluttered my, as you can see, like piles of things. I recently decluttered my closet, so I have like wait, can you see it? A straight pile of clothes there that I have to give away and bring to donation. So yeah, my life. I'm trying to declutter my room so my brain could be decluttered. But yeah, iced coffee and let's start. Guys, I had been missing this for like a month and a half. Now I can do Bible journaling videos and actually have you guys see what I'm doing. So excited. Let me share where I'm at. This corner is now clean. I think I'm gonna leave the shelves up, or the shelf. The other one fell off. I'm gonna leave these here. I got these at Aruba, so random. They're shot glasses, but I don't drink, but I just thought they were so cute because they're hand-drawn. I think I'm gonna leave the shelf up. The bookshelf will fit in here perfectly. It'll actually be, there'll be more room on the sides. I'm just trying to debate if I take off my whiteboard so I use it more. And I think I will. And then that's what we got there. Everything from that there. This is a mess. That's kind of where we're at. I'm gonna move this over, and yeah, I think tomorrow we'll actually start organizing these shelves and getting things together. Today's just about moving all the pieces. So yeah. My floors are super uneven, so I'm trying to decide what to do because I don't have this anchor to the wall. It should be, but it's not. Okay, we've secured the bookshelf. That's the only way it's gonna stay there and be leveled in. Yeah, so if anyone was concerned for a moment that this bookshelf was gonna fall over on me, we're good now. Wow, he's loud. But I will say, during that earthquake, I did go to hold my bookshelf because it started shaking and it was not secure then. Okay, I know it looks a little squished here, but let's pretend that there was nothing on this wall. I think it looks good. So, now to just organize it and put things away. I don't know why it's not focusing. And then to move this here, and yeah. Oh, hello everyone. So, it is the next day, and I'm eating some yogurt and granola, a snack. But I figured I would share kind of where I left off things yesterday. So now that's there. So that's there now, and I think looks cute. And I put up those shelves and just added my Funko Pops there. And I think it looks good. So now, and then I also spent yesterday just organizing everything that was in the drawers. I still need to do a little bit more, but then I was able to clear out these 2 buckets. So Now, this is what the corner is looking like with the bookshelf. I haven't done anything to it. Just threw my books there to get them off my bed, and then I need to move my desk back where it goes. So today is going to be all about just organizing that and getting things ready for Monday so I can have peace. So that is what we're going to do today, and I'm going to just finish organizing. I just wasted like 30 minutes laying on my bed watching YouTube, so now we're gonna start. Alright guys, so my thing is crooked. So this is what it looks like. Well, I'm missing my Bible and some books there. That's why it's kind of falling over. But this is just where I put all my resources so far. Bibles on this side, books that I'm currently reading, like faith books. Then here I just reorganized my books here. Then some bins up here, and then those two are actually empty so I can put more things in it. Then I moved my desk back. And this is what it's looking like. My cart looks a mess because it's really actually just empty. I need to find homes for these things and just figure out what I'm doing. Hi, puppy. Okay. Alrighty. Hi. I also did not make my bed today. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. We'll just look at things from this way because, you know, the rest of the room's a little bit messy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that, you know, sometimes you just need a little refresh of your space to kind of be able to focus and do the things you want to do again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.